Hey, it's your boy Trey Cross, and check this out. So, what I wanted to do was, I didn't want to just teach you the the formula for the major scales. What I also wanted to do was make sure that I demonstrated each major scale for you, so you have a reference. So let's say you said, yeah, I got the formula, but something don't sound right, sound off, or I just want to see it. Then look. Here are all 12 major scales demonstrated for you each, and I gave everyone every major scale each individual video. Okay, so in these videos I won't be explaining anything because I already did that. I won't be breaking it down because at this point you already know it. It's just a good reference. All right, so I'm gonna start at C, then I'm gonna go up. C, C sharp, E, D, E flat, all the way to B. So this is a good reference point. If you already got it down, then you can skip these videos. If you need a reference, you can just watch them, and they're just here for you for whenever you need them.